What's going on YouTube? I just wanted to make a quick tutorial to show you how you can quickly and easily use the small and the large function in Excel. So the small function allows you to calculate the nth smallest value in a given range of cells, and the large function allows you to calculate the nth largest value in a given range of cells in Excel. So to use the small function, you can do equal small in the open parentheses. The first argument is array. It's not an array. It's not an array function, but the array represents what the range of cells that you want to see the calculation on. And then k is a argument that corresponds to the nth smallest value that you want to calculate. So if we want, for example, if we want to calculate the smallest value in the given, find the smallest value in the given range of cells, we can do 1. If we want to do the second smallest value, we can do 2. The third smallest value, we can do 3. Fourth smallest value, we can do 4, and so on and so forth. So I'm going to do 1 for this example. And then I'm going to lock in this range of cells so I can copy and paste it down. So F4, because I'm on a laptop, is function F4. And then Control C, Shift, down arrow, Control V. And as you can see, this is the smallest value in the range of cells, the second smallest value, the third smallest value, the fourth, and so on and so forth. The large functions does a similar thing in the sense that you find the nth largest value in a given range of cells. So equals large. You do open parentheses. The array is similar with the small function is range of cells you want to do the calculation on, and then k is the nth that value that corresponds to what you want to do. It corresponds to the nth value that you want to do the calculation on. So if you want to find the largest value in a given range of cells, you could do 1. The second largest value, you could do 2. Third largest value, do 3. Fourth largest value, do 4. Fifth largest value, do 5, so on and so forth. So we want to start by finding the largest value. Then close parentheses. And then, like before, I'm going to lock in this range of cells. So function F4 because I'm on a laptop. F4 if you're not on a laptop. So that way, by locking in, I mean so that way as I drag this down, this range of cells right here won't change. So Control C, Shift down arrow, then Control V. And as you can see, the largest value in the range of cells is 4,923. The second largest is here. The third largest is here. So on and so forth. And in case you're wondering, as a side note, if you're wondering how I actually produce this random range of numbers in those blocks like this, I use the rand array function. So equals rand. And I'm going to do this one right here, tab to start the function. Rows is the number of rows that you want in the range. So 15 columns, 15 or 15 columns with the values. The smallest value is 5. Largest value is 5,000. And then integer, so whole number. If true if you want whole number, false if you want decimals. So true in this situation, then close parentheses. And here you can see we have a random range of numbers, and then we can do Control C, then Alt Control V, and then that will allow you to paste special. Or you can also right click and paste special. So hide this range, Alt Control V, and then values. And then now as you can see, it's pasted as values. Kind of random side tidbit. That being said, I hope that you found this tutorial on the small and the large function to be useful. If you did, please like, subscribe, and comment. Let me know if you have any questions, comments, or concerns. Any support is greatly appreciated. And check the links in the description for free stock. Thank you so much. Have a great day.